We not only generate electricity, we also sell it back into the grid. And part of the reason that we wanted to do this, like every homeowner, we get that bill at the end of the month and we clutch our heads and we go, it can't be this much, right? So I was thinking, what are ways we can actually benefit the environment and also benefit our pocket and our bottom line? And we found that the effect of that is that during the summer months, particularly when the sun is high, we get a credit, which makes me absolutely do a little dance. And I check my app and I can see how much electricity we're generating, which is fantastic as a homeowner and also as a person who does the family budget. So it leaves more for other things. I've just come back from Rarotonga and those savings mean that we can actually go and do some other stuff we enjoy.
What I enjoyed about them, especially Luke, was this hands-on attitude. He really came to me, told me, you'll put these I don't know what you call those meters, but it was measuring the usage on the farm. He said, we'll do that, and then in a week from now, we'll talk. And it's exactly what he's done, and that makes a difference. There's no graphs this way or that way. It's solid. This is what you're using. This is what I can do for you. This is what you'll be saving, and that's what I liked. And then the team that they sent out were professional, his own people, not contractors, his own people, which is important. And they were professional, they got their job done, and they a pleasure to work with.
We think it's fantastic. We think everyone should have it. You know, we look out and we see all these roofs and they all are crying out for solar panels. But yeah, we're always telling people that it's definitely something that they should do. You know, and I think if you've got the money in the bank, then you are much better off installing solar because you're saving so much money straight away. It's much better than getting interest in the bank, which gives you virtually nothing these days. And I think even if you had to borrow the money to get it, it would still be way worth it because the savings you're getting would far outweigh the cost of paying that money back.
Around $8 negative power bill a week at the moment, as opposed to, we'd probably be paying $250 to $300 a month. So yeah, we started beginning of winter at negative $70 and at the end of winter we were negative 40. But even only a few months and we're back up to negative 100. So yep, and it'll just get better from here on in.